On Monday this week, lawyers of detained legislators Ssegirinya of Kawempe North and Allan Ssewanyana of Machindio West appealed to the International Crimes Division Court to allow them go to the Constitutional Court for a review on two decisions made by the court. The decisions in question included protecting 15 witnesses and the refusal to consolidate files in this matter. After the lawyers had argued that decisions by this court would lead to a miscarriage of justice. However, in her ruling today, Lady Justice Alice Komhanji declined to grant their plea. According to Justice Komhanji, the provisions did not call for constitutional interpretation because it had already pronounced itself.
And the ICD rules are clearly in line with that court decision. I therefore decline to refer the two questions to the Constitutional Court for interpretation.
In her ruling today, she also rejected the decision to go to the Constitutional Court on the decision made on consolidation of files.
If the applicants were the only accused persons appearing on the charge sheet of Rengo, CRB 203 of 2021, they would safely be added to the charge sheet of Masaka, CRB 605 of 2021.
According to the court, the pre-trial session resumes on 7th November. Ssegirinya and Ssewanyana's lawyers today spoke out against the ruling of court.
We have received this decision. We shall respect it to the extent that this court has the discretion. We are going to look into whether it exercised that discretion in denying us the opportunity to go before the Constitutional Court, whether it exercised it judiciously.
It is not only going to affect Ssegirinya and Allan, but these are precedents that are set by courts of judicature that any other ordinary Ugandan, when he or she walks into this court the next day, she will be denied the constitutional reference basing on such a decision. So as lawyers, we are going to sit and see how best we are going to handle, because we feel that our clients are not going to get fair justice with the non-disclosure.
Speaking outside the courtroom, Kalungu West Member of Parliament Joseph Sewung urged relatives of the arrested to seek for a presidential pardon after the court dismissal.
It's high time we picked the parents of Ssegirinya and Allan. They also marched to Museveni and make an apology, the way he made his on his son against Ruto. That's what we have to do, so that he forgives them. These parents are suffering. There is no way you can say as a judge that you are stopping counsel and our team to go and seek for a constitutional interpretation. Why was that court put in place? And Article 137 and Article 28. Protection of witnesses is allowed. But how do you stop Allan Ssewanyana and Ssegirinya to see those who are choosing them in court?
The legislators who have been in prison for over a year are facing charges of murder, attempted murder, terrorism, and abetting terrorism. Flavia Ninkuze for CTV, PM Edition.
And for charges is an aware role would be a misjoinder of